Hello friends, and welcome back to another video with me, Manisha Bailey. Cheers. So today we are in my bedroom. I wanted to have a nice cozy feel. It's getting really cold outside, so here is my lovely mug, Let Love Grow, and today we're going to be reviewing some gorgeous glasses from Zelo. So I thought to make this video a bit more interesting, I have brought some lip liners and lipsticks from TikTok shop that I'm going to be pairing with the glasses. So the glasses came in this lovely box, and I have all the glasses here with me to show you guys, and we're just going to pick a random one out first. I have had a little sneak peek already when I first got them, but I wanted it to be a surprise for me and for you. So the first pair are super cute. They've got nice thin frames. As you can see on the side, they've got some little sparkle. Let's try them on. So I actually do wear prescription glasses. So they have actually made all of these glasses my prescription, which is just so sweet. Aww. So these are definitely my style. These are something that I would definitely wear. I feel like they're nice and classy. And we are going to have a look at what colours I have. We're going to make a look. So you lucky guys can get a discount if you use the code Manisha. I have gone for this brownie red kind of colour. I feel like it's really going to complement my outfit and the glasses. I feel like we just need some colour. So this is the finished look. So I do really like these glasses. They're classy and I like the little glitz and glam on the corner. So I'm going to give these a 7. So they have actually sent me 8 different glasses. I'm so spoiled. So we're just going to randomly pick up some and see. Okay, so these are very colourful. They've got the leopard print. I love the yellow. It's very different. Not something that I would usually go for. I really do like how they make my eyes look very cat shaped. As you can see, these bits are hollow. They're very different, very quirky, very demure. So as these glasses are already bringing the sass and colour, we're just going to go for a nice nudie lip liner. Okay, so I have on my lip liner, I have on a really nice nude colour, and I'm definitely feeling this look a little bit more. These are definitely not my style, but I love how out there they are, but they are so cool. They have some really cool leopard print arms, and they're definitely warming to me. They are definitely warming to me. So I'm going to give these a 4 out of 10, just because they're not my usual style. So what am I going to pick next? Okay. These are a bit more me. I feel like they go with my PJs, and we can definitely work this with a red lip. I love a big frame, but I'm definitely a big frame girl, and it's just so lovely to have glasses that I can actually see in. So I've rubbed my lips off, and we have to go in with some red lipstick, of course. I'm literally really loving these. I love the gold detail on the sides, and if you can see, there's a darker pattern at the bottom, which I find really cool. I just actually love this look. So let's go ahead and make me red. I don't know whether the red's too much. I don't know whether it's taken away from the glasses, but it is definitely a look. It's cute. It is cute. Okay, so I feel like I prefer these without the red lip. So I have nothing on my lips, and I feel like they really complement my lip colour, which is cute. So next, so I'm going to score these ones a 6 out of 10. So Zelo gave me some lens wipers, which are really sweet of them, and they come in these lovely little cases.
Thank you.
So next, we're going to go for... Okay, I really like these when I first got them. They're just so cool. They are really cool. Now I've tried on the other ones, I don't know what my favourites are yet, but these are so cute.
So cute.
So these are transparent. You can see on the side they have a little gold detail there, and the name is Zelo. Let's go for this one, a nice nudie kind of colour. Nothing too much. Very mindful. Very demure. So this lip colour is a bit light, but it's still kind of cute. So tell me in the comments your favourite glasses so far. Yeah, I'm not sure what my favourite ones are yet, because I thought it was going to be these ones, but I feel like we've had some really strong contenders. I'm going to give these a 6 out of 10. Okay, it's getting really, really hard now. We're going to pick one at random again. These were one of my favourites too. Yep, these ones are my favourite. Very elegant. I love the design. I love the colours. You've got like some brown, and it's kind of like see-through as well. You've got like the little gold on the sides. Yeah, I like these ones. So we're going to use some more lippy, and not that colour. Oh, let's try this reddy, pinky, maroony kind of colour. Okay, so I'm going to give these glasses a 9.5 out of 10. And that is high for me because I'm very critical.
Okay.
These are super cute. I love. Stop, I really like these. Yeah, these are my favourite. Okay, the lipstick is off, and we have 2 more to go. Wow. So I definitely think the yellow ones are the funkiest. These come second place. So let's have a look. These are cute. Like, these are cute. These are cute. When I first opened this package and saw these in the yellow ones, I was so scared. But honestly, like, Zelo, you are doing your thing, girl or boy. No, these are cute. Let's try some red. Yeah, see, I feel like a red lip goes with these glasses better. Cute. Interesting. As you can see, they have all these different colours. Red, yellow, blue. Very different.
Very cutesy.
They're very interesting, very colourful and vibrant. I feel like a sexy teacher. Sit down, class, sit down, class. Okay, class, today we're going to be learning English. Everyone say, period.
Period.
I play too much. Okay, so 6 out of 10. 6 out of 10. They're cute. These are cute. This has been so much fun. So I have 1 pair left that I'm going to be showing you guys. Wow. Very cute, very demure, very mindful. Very, very nice.
Very good, very nice.
These are so stylish. Like, I don't think I've ever seen glasses this stylish. Very nice. Love the gold. Classy. I like these. I really do like these ones. Oh, I want to say 8 out of 10. I really like how they're like barely there glasses. 8 out of 10. I really like these. Really cute. Okay, so I just want to put on a brown lip liner. I just think it would look really cute. So we've got the brown lips, we've got the clear glasses. I'm feeling so pretty. Very cute. So yeah, 8 out of 10. I love. I've got 1 more pair to show you, but they are sunglasses. Wow. We love a big frame. So if I was on holiday, absolutely. A little nightclub, cheeky festival. You can see my ring light. These are definitely my style. We give these a 7 out of 10. So now I'm going to go through all of them off camera and I'm going to pick my favourite. So I'm sure you guys would have guessed these are my favourites. I love the colour, I love how they fit my face. They're just stunning. Really like them. I love the detail on the side. Yeah, I feel super pretty in these ones. These ones were made for me. So thank you so much for watching this video and I will catch you soon. Make sure to like, make sure to comment, make sure to subscribe. Thank you so much. Love you all.
Bye bye.